That's the good stuff, huh? You want some more of that?
Here comes the fake out.
Watch this, faking out. More tapioca?
It's so good. Sneak some egg in there. Oh, he got smarter than you that time.
Okay. That's good. See?
No.
Here, tapioca. Yay! Let's sneak the egg. Grits. Okay. All right.
He's pissed now.
All right. Here, have some tapioca. Here, this is good stuff, I swear.
Look, it's good.